Alright everyone, I just noticed that I missed the first part, so I'm going to record it again, which is fine, it's not a problem at all. So, what you would want to do, okay, I think I need, what you would want to do is firstly type Kaboom.js in your browser. It's going to populate this, and yeah. So you can actually integrate Kaboom.js in your code editor, which we're going to do later on, but just to simplify things, we're just going to use the Kaboom environment. So once you're here, it's going to ask you to sign up. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. Okay, so oh god. Okay. Yeah, I have a new replica. I have a bunch here. I did a couple of tutorial. I was playing around, and these are my tutorial. New replica. So once you do that, you click here because there's a bunch of languages here, which is pretty sweet. What we're looking for is Kaboom, so I'll put Kaboom. They give you a nice weird name, but you can change it if you want. Create, replicate, and boom, here you are. Okay, I'm connected. I am having some issue. I'm actually at work, like always. And here you go. It has already configured a scene for you. We're going to see how we do that in the code editor way afterwards. And yeah, so this is the main scene, and this is where you're actually going to create all your little stuff that I'm going to show you, and so on and so forth. Okay, I wanted to show you a little something because I just noticed that, I just noticed that it was not recorded, and I will try not to make it too long and too boring. Oh no. So, let me move the screen here. Okay, here you go. So you will see you have a main here. The main section is where I have all my elements. So, the little symbols here, so the exclamation mark and the points represent my little guys here. So I just put them here and then I define them. So for example, this little star is my warrior. The exclamation point is my left wall, so this wall, the green one, and this one is my left wall. And then when you click on sprite, you can actually draw inside of it directly instead of using scales and vectors. So Kaboom environment allows you to actually draw in it. It can be a little bit like blurry right now, but when you would click on it, it will show you a little draw pad that you can draw. And if you're able, just copy this part. I'm going to add a new scene, so you're going to see how I do that.